We're on our way to this place called Echo Park. I'm here with my friend Mary. She's chilling out. Hey. We're actually picking up a couple of your friends, right? Who are we picking up? Mariam, Michelle, and Queenie. We're all going out to this place called Echo Park. We'll shoot a video on that, so we'll ride up. It's a little bit of a ride and beautiful road, like really, really cool scenery. And I don't know much about this park, but I think it's just kind of, it's really an overlook, and you can look over the city, right? It's a good view of the city. Yeah. So that's coming up. We'll do a ride up, and then we'll show you around Echo Park. Maybe I'll bring the drone too and see if I can get the drone up. So be right back. Hey, all right, we made it out here at Eco Park. Actually, a quick pit stop, and we're getting some coconut juice. So I can't remember what the heck they call it, but let's see. The girls are right here, right around the corner. All right, guys.
You wanna try open the coconut?
Do I want to try to open the coconut?
Yeah.
I don't know how to cut it.
You can chop that.
Chop it?
But don't chop me.
Don't chop you? Oh. Is that really what Filipinos think? That foreigners are going to chop them?
Yeah. If they go with foreigners. Just do like this, oh.
So, I don't know if you guys heard that, but that's one of the things that they think. Foreigners are going to chop.
Small coconut.
Ah, nice. And what's this thing that you're making, right? What's it called?
Lamaw.
Lamaw?
Yeah.
So you put coconut with condensed milk?
Yeah, this one.
Welcome to the show, by the way. Say hi.
Record.
Maybe. It's all around.
Yeah.
Huh? It films everything. It's filming It films everything around.
You wanna take video?
Cutting the coconut?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be fun. But what do we make? What's this called again?
Lamaw.
Lamaw? So you got coconut, yellow, ice,
Yeah, ice.
and condensed milk.
And then this one crackers.
Yeah, some crackers. I know this is really good. This is fresh coconut juice.
Yeah.
And check, you can see the coconuts in there, man. It's so good. And I'm actually, it's weird because I don't like, oh yeah, and that's lamicayo too.
Yeah.
I love that inside. And you can scoop it. I have. You can make a spoon. This guy.
Yeah, from there.
Yes, I saw a guy was making the spoon from the.
Boy Scout.
Yeah. No, it's
Try.
good.
If you don't have spoon,
Yeah, this is so good. So check this out, guys. You can just eat the coconut fresh out of here. I mean, it's so lami, right? It's delicious. And this tastes nothing like coconut in the United States. Yeah. I'm afraid I'd take my hand off. Wow, this is so good. Where do you get the coconuts from? Right here? These?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, everybody introduce himself. Mariam, right? Marian. Mary, of course, you guys know Mary. Queenie.
Yeah, Queenie.
Michelle.
Yes.
All right.
You're
Actually, it's quite the accomplishment because I'm horrible with names. I hardly remember anything. So, the fact that I'm pulling this off right now.
But her name.
Her name.
You don't know my baby. Just kidding.
You guys are cute.
We don't know how to putol. We don't know how to cut.
Oh, this is so lemmy.
You know how to break it into parts?
Cut it in half? I can maybe try. Yeah, she's
try?
doing good. You're doing great.
It's a how day.
What's that knife called? Is it machete or is it called something else?
Here's a banana.
Tawag ko no ani. Sa Bisaya, sundaw daw.
Sundawi?
It's more
Sundao?
Samurai. Big knife.
Big knife?
Diba ang kanang sa bolo?
You guys are awesome, man.
Ano na bolo? Bring your bolo. Bolo ka na din. More like samurai. It look like samurai.
It's super sharp, right? It has to cut through the coconut.
Yeah.
We're not good at this, but we're trying.
Yeah, no worries. I should learn. I saw a guy do it. Yeah. No more sharp, right? so good. This is absolutely amazing. I love that. These girls are adorable. Been hanging out, what, almost a week? We've been almost a week now? Oh, I think I cut too deep in there. Yeah, so good, delicious, right from the coconut. See how she's drinking it? Yeah, that's the way to do it. All right, we're gonna make this, and then we might probably go over to the Echo Park. We'll be right back in a second. So much fun. Love the province life. Good? Yeah. All right. Okay, guys, we are off to Echo Park. We had to stop, made the quick coconut juice. We're actually waiting a little bit for that to, because the park closes here in like a half hour, so we want to make sure we get up there. So they said it's a really beautiful road up. I thought we'd turn on the camera and go ride up. So there we go. We already signed in, right? Okay. So we just keep going?
Oh, yeah.
Thank you. All right, here we are. Yeah, look at it. It's just gorgeous. Nice ride through here. Oh, it's super beautiful. You still walk through here? Yeah, I bet.
We're so tired.
I bet. It's steep. It is beautiful though. Oh, nice. Wow. Great views. Wow, really steep. Really good views too. Gorgeous road. Oh, there might be monkeys over here. I think that's what they're pointing at. Monkeys. Sorry. Yeah, they said there were monkeys up here. Wow, really beautiful. Yeah, cool.
I think there's no ride for zip line.
What's that?
Or
All right, we're parking. Ooh, it looks like maybe rain. All right. Made it up to the park. Now we're walking up.
Nagkarami babaw ya.
Alam mo sa kasi pa ng mga tower, ma'am.
Uy, kapay mag-uban nami. Ingat niyo tulad sa tama.
Oh, cool.
Bilin ko rin tulo. Yawa, kapoy.
Little bit of a hike, huh? It's steep. It's steep. You want to jump on my shoulders? Wow, it's steep, yeah. Oh, cool. Look at that. Oh, they got zip lines up there, huh?
but I think it's better
It's-
to not try that one because it's kind of raining.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not really a fan of heights. Are they having fun back there? They're making cheesiness, huh? That's great.
They're making cheese meals about us.
Oh, it's fine. This is super steep, eh?
Yeah. Yes, kind of.
I feel it.
You're
Yes.
stronger.
I dig it. Wow. Wow, beautiful. It is nice. This is free too, huh? They don't charge.
It's free.
Wow.
You need to pay for just the zip line.
Yeah.
Only 100 pesos, I think.
Wow, it's barato.
Yeah. So look around and see what's in there.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna hike around up here. We'll be back in just a second. Once we get up here and look around. Be right back. Hey, we're getting ready to walk down there. Park's getting ready to close. We walked around a little bit. Most of the stuff, like the zip line and the bikes, had already shut down. Like the height stuff, but I don't really like heights anyway, so we're just kind of chilling. But we're heading back. We're gonna try the coconut stuff. We've been talking about Philippines courting and relationships about that. So talking about how that works, and want to ask permission for the parents to date. So it's really cool. Maybe we'll pick that conversation back up here in a minute. So be right back with the coconut juice.
My dad bought this. It's like $5.
So tell me what we got in here. We got
Lamaw. It's called
Lamaw. So we got coconut, right?
And then
And condensed
Condensed milk.
and then fresh coconut, and then some crackers.
so here you go.
Here we go. All right, we give that a shot. And this is called what again?
Lamaw.
Lamaw.
Very later.
All right, give that a shot, man. Looks delicious. Yeah, guys. So just finishing sunset here, and love it. It's really good, tasty. It's got crackers in it, and fresh coconut, and it's just good. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here, and loving life in Leyte and Palawan. See you guys on the next one.